The overall aim of these procedures is to quantitatively assess sensorimotor function in mice. We accomplish this by using a battery of sensitive behavioural tests. These include challenging beam traversal, spontaneous activity in the cylinder, and the adhesive removal test, which is also known as the dot test. Following testing, video recordings of beam traversal and spontaneous activity can be scored. Ultimately, these tests can be used to characterize sensorimotor function in novel genetic mouse models, as well as in preclinical drug studies studying potential therapeutics for disease.
So the main advantage of these tests over other tests, especially automated ones, is that we find them to be highly sensitive to motor dysfunction, more sensitive than tests like the rotor-rod. In addition, though, these tests are actually very cost efficient, especially compared to automated ones, which can cost up to thousands of dollars. These tests can answer key questions in the field of movement disorders in general, and they are highly useful outcome measures when testing potential therapeutics.
The beam is set up by inverting 3 clean mouse cages on a tabletop or in a mouse cage changing fume hood. Line the cages up evenly so that they can support the length of a 1 meter beam. Next, assemble the 4 sections of the beam from the widest to narrowest section and place on top of the inverted mouse cages. Place the home cage of the mice that you plan to test on its side at the end of the beam, so that the narrowest end of the beam leads right into the home cage. To begin the assisted trial,